Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this cute keychain. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This keychain looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. You can do them in 2 minutes. So now let's see how to do this beautiful keychain. To do this cute bow keychain, first we have to leave little bit of yarn in the front. Next, make a slip knot. Yarn which we left in the front, you are going to twist it in the hook like this first. Next, in the working yarn, you are going to make a single crochet. That is yarn over, pull through both the stitches. This is the yarn which we left in the beginning, that we will wrap it around this hook like this. Next, take the yarn and hook and pull through these two loops. So place this yarn which we left in the front, wrap it around the hook like this. Next, take the working yarn and pull it through both these loops. Place the yarn which we left in the beginning, wrap it around the hook, take the working yarn and pull it through the loop. You are going to do 50 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wrap the yarn which we left in the beginning and finish this stitch using the working yarn by pulling them through two loops. After doing 50 stitches, it looks like this. Next, extend the yarn little bit and snip off this yarn. So it looks like this. By following the same pattern, you have to do 2 more pieces. So now we are ready with all the pieces. Now let's see what to do next. Next, you are going to join them like this. After joining them, it looks like this. Likewise, you have to join the rest of the 2 pieces as well. After joining them, it looks like this. Next, place these 2 same colored like this. Take that one which we have done in this different color. Take this first one, bring it inside like this and place it on top of both. This yarn we left should be in the center. Place it like this. Next, so bring these 2 same color thing inside. Next, bring this yellow color back top of it like this and join them in the center. Wrap it around with this yarn. It looks like this. Bow cute keychain looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.